Hey you guys, Dev here at WeBuyHouses.com. Welcome to the Cash Offer Masterclass. It's episode number 98. We're headed towards 100 episodes. Very happy to reach that milestone. We're over 3,000 subscribers. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. We're building something big here and we're giving away the information of how to do real estate investing. So a lot of people are out there selling courses and all that kind of stuff. We're doing none of that. We're giving you what those guys would sell you. So you know why? Because I'm a nice guy. I'm just kidding. All right, we got a topic today. I think it's going to be an interesting topic. We're going to ask the question to ChatGPT, is wholesaling illegal in my state? There's two things I'm trying to accomplish in this episode. Number one, I want to answer this question for you because many of you, if you're new to real estate investing, you may be considering wholesaling. You know, it's where you get the property under contract and then you basically sell that contract or the rights to close the deal to somebody else, a cash buyer, and you, the wholesaler, make a cut, between, let's say you buy it for 100, you sell it to a cash buyer for 110, you can make that $10,000 yourself in that transaction, and it's pretty cool. But many states have implemented laws to prevent wholesaling. Basically they think it's akin to brokerage activity. And so in many states, the Association of Realtors have pushed laws through the state legislatures to make wholesaling difficult for you and others. And, in some cases you could argue that, yeah, they're right, that wholesaling does kind of feel like brokerage. But on the other hand, they're kind of constraining what we can do as real estate investors with a deal. And so I want you guys, the second thing I wanted to show you guys was how we can use ChatGPT as a real resource for us in our business and answer questions like this, because you don't want to get down the road and find out you made some bad assumptions. And if you had just asked ChatGPT, it could have told you. So that's our topic today, is wholesaling illegal in my state. Notice I used the little I, because if you use a capital I, it just looks like LLL Eagle, and I didn't like that. So we're going to go lowercase I today on illegal for that purpose, excuse me. All right, let me get out of there. We'll come back to that, but I'm going to jump over to ChatGPT. And what we're going to do today, I've done before. I really enjoy it. We're going to have a conversation with ChatGPT, and I totally encourage you guys to do this. Go into ChatGPT and choose the voice mode and just talk to it like it's a human. It's pretty cool. So as we jump into it, I'm going to be checking the sound levels, make sure it's good for you guys, and then we're going to have a conversation. Check this out. Hey, ChatGPT, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. For a digital assistant, every day is a good day. How about you?
Right. Well, your sound levels look pretty good there. That was the main reason I asked you that question. Here's what I have for you today, buddy. I want to talk about wholesaling real estate. Do you know what we mean when we talk about wholesaling a deal in real estate?
Oh, absolutely. Wholesaling is like being the middleman. You find a property at a discount, usually from a motivated seller, and instead of buying it and fixing it up yourself, you get that property under contract and then assign that contract to another investor for a fee. So you're basically selling the deal itself, not the house. Fun, right?
That is right. And man, you had a great explanation of it. So you and I know what we're talking about. And so what's happening right now, chat, is we're actually recording this conversation. And so many people are going to hear you talking to me today. Go ahead and say hello to everybody out there.
Well, hello out there, folks. If you're listening in, you're now part of our little real estate huddle. We've got deals to talk about and probably a few laughs along the way. So grab a coffee, or hey, maybe a notepad, and let's dig in.
All right. You did a good job. You did a great job. Okay, so now as we jump into it, here's our question today, chat, is we have a bunch of investors watching this video, and many of them are wholesalers, or perhaps they're new investors. They're thinking about wholesaling. This is the question I want them to answer before they do anything, is wholesaling legal in my state? Many states have implemented rules that prevent wholesaling. Can you help us identify the states that have recently implemented rules that might make wholesaling illegal in their state?
All right, so here's the deal. Wholesaling real estate is still doable, but some states are cracking down. For example, South Carolina, North Carolina, Illinois, Oklahoma, and Pennsylvania now require a license or impose strict rules. On the other hand, places like Texas still allow wholesaling as long as you disclose properly and don't act like a broker. Bottom line, know your state's law and structure your deals carefully.
Okay, great. I think that's a good answer. Now, suppose one of my viewers is in, let's say, the state of Idaho, and they're wondering, is wholesaling legal in Idaho? Can you, for example, give us information about the laws in Idaho in regard to this type of transaction? It's thinking.
In Idaho, wholesaling is legal as long as you do it correctly. You're allowed to assign your contract rights, but you can't market the property itself like a broker unless you're licensed. You'll need a purchase contract that allows assignment, and you should focus your marketing on selling your contract, not the house. If you're unsure, it's smart to consult a local real estate attorney to stay compliant.
Awesome. Well, that's an example, you guys that are watching, of how you can use ChatGPT to get specific information about your state. Make sure before you do this that it's legal to do in your state. And if there's anything that you need to know in particular, like, for example, you can market the contract but not the house, then that's something that ChatGPT can tell you. So that's my message to the viewers. Hey, Chat, I'm going to go ahead and let you go. Go ahead and say goodbye to everybody that watched our video today.
All right, everyone, it's been a blast. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you're walking away with some clarity and maybe even a bit of inspiration. Keep asking those smart questions, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.
All right. Take care. And thank you very much, ChatGPT. Guys, I just wanted to show you that I talk to ChatGPT a lot. Like, writing out long prompts is nice. And I think I am pretty good at writing prompts that get me to really good information. So you want to spend the time when you make a prompt and you're asking AI a question, you want to spend the time to give it everything that it needs to answer the question for you. Good background and, insights and information that then it can give you a great answer. And it generally does. I love ChatGPT because I've customized it to kind of speak to me the way I talk, and it knows who I am. You can go into settings in ChatGPT and, give it information about you so that it knows who you are, and it'll talk to you in a very comfortable way, and that's what I enjoy about it. But also, I just noticed as I meet people, many of them have not realized that rather than writing long prompts, you can just have this conversation with ChatGPT and ask follow-up questions and really dig deep and get an answer. So here's my message to you today. If you're new to the real estate investing game and you're thinking about doing wholesaling, which, as ChatGPT did a great explanation of it, you're getting a property under contract and you're selling the rights to the contract to someone. Make sure that's legal in your state before you do it. Have that conversation with ChatGPT, and always consider talking to an attorney before you actually start to do this business, an attorney that's acquainted with the real estate law in your state, because you don't want to find out that you're doing something that you shouldn't or you can't do because of the law. I mean, you certainly don't want to find yourself on the wrong side of the law. So that's my message today. Go talk to ChatGPT about what you're doing. You will be amazed at the insights that it can give you. Hey guys, that's it for me today. Be sure that you're subscribed to the channel there. It's at WBHW. Or you can just search for Cash Offer Masterclass on YouTube. It will find us. And if you have any questions about what we do, we sell leads, we sell territories, and a full marketing system at WeBuyHouses.com. And we work with some top tier investors on a referral basis. Just reach out to Mike at 817-435-4446. And guy, that's not the right one. I wanted to show you something. It is down here. It's there. Episode number 100. We've got it recorded. We're doing some editing on it right now. It's 2 more episodes from here. If you haven't seen it yet, please go see it now. You will love to hear from Sean O'Toole, the founder of Property Radar. This guy knows more about data in our business than anybody I've ever met. And, we were going to do a 20-minute video, 30-minute video. We talked for an hour. The guy's fascinating. I think data is fascinating. And if you're particularly one of the younger investors today, man, you guys are smart. You know how to use information. Watch this video with Sean O'Toole and you will learn how to master data in our business. And of course, if you have a house for sale that you'd like to get rid of, it needs repairs, it's not going to pass a retail inspection, just go to WeBuyHouses.com, put the address in, answer a few questions. I will hook you up with a top tier professional investor in your market, because that's what we do at WeBuyHouses.com. And if you are an investor and you're starting to reach some scale and you want to grow your business bigger, check into WeBuyHouses.com as a professional marketing system. We only want very talented, very capable investors in our program so that we can match you to home sellers and really kind of be like a dating service between people that really want to sell their house and people that really can buy the house. I just, that's one of the things I was thinking about wholesaling is that, not a lot of our guys are wholesalers. Most of them buy the properties, fix, flip them, or fix and hold them, that kind of thing. But wholesaling is alive and well, but not in every state. So go talk to ChatGPT and find out if it's legal in your state right there. Guys, it's been fun spending time with you today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. And be sure to check out episode number 100 with Sean O'Toole. I will talk to you soon. Adios, my friends.